Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are doing very well in your fields and getting settled gradually. Wish you all the best for the time to come and have faith in God. Everything will be set right. Today, we may discuss a very simple point regarding income tax. A question arises in everybody's mind: if my income is not taxable, am I bound to file the income tax return? The answer is very simple: no. You are not bound to file your income tax return if your income is below the exemption limit. But there are certain advantages to file the income tax return even if it is not taxable. So, my opinion is that you must file your income tax return regularly. The various benefits which you can avail, which you can get by filing your income tax return, even if it is not taxable, even it is not taxable, are as under, can be known, can be understood as follows. First of all, it maintains a discipline in our financial life. We check and we accumulate all the information precisely before filing the income tax return. Secondly, it helps in taking of medical insurance policies. It helps in visa applications. It helps in taking loans from banks. And it helps in getting us exemption of tax amount of rupees 12,500 under section 87A of the Income Tax Act. Because it is very clear in the Income Tax Act that if your tax payable comes to around, rather up to 12,500, you get a rebate of that tax under section 87A of the Income Tax Act, and that you can avail only by filing your income tax return. And one thing more, suppose you have a capital loss in some financial year, you can carry forward the loss to be set aside from your future year income if you have filed your income tax return. Your income tax returns helps you in getting housing loans from banks. Suppose you are 4 members in the family and you file income tax return of all the members. Even if the total income of all the 4 members comes to 12 lakh means 3 lakh per person, and you have the records of filing the income tax return, bank will very well consider that return for granting you the loan. And the most useful thing is, once we file the income tax return, we go through the entire transactions, entire banking of our personal accounts, and it creates a lot of discipline, rather financial discipline in our life. Hence it is always useful to file the income tax return.